What? A new car. Someone lost their car. Let's pick it. Oh, it's a racing car. Wow. What? Another car? So lucky. A yellow car. Yellow orange tire car. Whoa, I have two cars now. Interesting. Oh my god. The third car. Wow. Three racing cars. Whoa! A collection of cars. A beautiful treasure. Wow! Whose collection is this? Whoa! Let's see what we have here. Wow! Okay. Red racing car. SL red racing car. Wow. Beautiful. Let's keep all my new cars in my collection. New collection. Whoa! Whoa! An oil tanker. Wow! 119 oil tanker. Whoa! Another racing car. Yellow racing car. Oh, beautiful. Whoa, red cartoon fire truck. Wow. Whee! So many collection. What is this? A land mower. Wow! Powerful land mower. Whee! Wow, a crane. Small power crane. Wow. Cool crane. Leaf fun. Wow. White racing car. Powerful speed white racing car. Whoa. What do we have here? Wow. So strong. A SWAT boat. SWAT boat from SWAT cats. Wow. Spy SWAT boat. Whoa! A powerful powerful speed bike. Wow! Whoa! So fast, so fast. 911 power speed bike. Whee! Another oil tank. Lifan oil tank truck. Wow! X&S Lifan oil tank truck. Whee! Da-da-da. Another blue racing car. Racer X blue car. Sheesh! Wow! Lifan cement truck. Whoa! How cool is that? Whoa! 6 wheels customizable Lifan cement truck. Hey, hey, hey! Powerful engineering heavy duty truck. Power red, yellow, blue truck. Whoa! Yellow truck. Engineering powerful garbage truck. Red button. Wow! Oh! Woo! Red fire truck. Wow! Powerful 6 wheels red fire truck. Nice. What do we have next? A powerful garbage truck. Whoa! Isn't it nice? Says, wow. Security construction garbage truck. Wow. Another cement truck. It's a big cement truck. Blue cement truck. Wow. So powerful. Looks good. Looks magnificent. Beautiful cement truck. Wow. Hey, another yellow small cement truck. Woo! Wow! So many cars, so many collection. Wow! What? Another car. It's a powerful land pusher car. Wow! Destroyer. Woo! Yay! Garbage truck. Another big garbage truck. Woo! Transform semi garbage truck. Red ambulance. No. Red fire truck. Woo. Powerful red small fire truck. Hey. Why? Oh. Red ambulance. Red micro minivan. Wow. Whoa. Great collection. Another garbage truck. Wow. Woo. So spacious. It got lots of space over here. Let's see what it can hold. This blue car. Blue racer car. Hey. Yes, it's very strong. It can even carry a car. Whoa. Last EMS vehicle. Wow. You can send us letter with this.
The mail lady. Bye.
Hey. Green EMS truck. Woo. Today we get all these toys for free. It was fun to collect them all. If you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. Take care.